Hi, this is bone video axial skeleton cranial bones. Okay, this is the frontal, which is the front. This is the parietal, which is the side, and this is occipital, which is the back. Right here, the external occipital protuberance. This is where the muscles that keep the head upright attached to. Okay. Right here we have the temporal mandibular joint. Right here. Okay. This area right here is the mastoid process. Right here. This right here is a styloid process. That little sharp tooth looking thing. Right there. This area right here looks like an ear hole. That's the external acoustic meatus. And this part right here is the squamous portion. Okay. This is the petrous temporal bone. And it's like a pyramid. It contains the inner and middle ear. Okay. This is the internal acoustic meatus and the vestibular nerve and the cochlear nerve pass through here. Okay. This area right here that looks like a butterfly, that's the sphenoid. Okay, and this is the lesser wing and the greater wing. Alright. The optic canal. This is where the optic nerve passes through. This is the sella turcica, and this is where the pituitary gland sits. This top part is the ethmoid. This thing right here that looks like a rooster, looks like the bottom part. That's called the crista galli, and it helps secure the brain to the cranial cavity. This area right here is the cribriform plate, and this is where the olfactory nerves pass through. Next are sutures. This one right here is the coronal, which attaches to the frontal and the two parietal. Frontal. See that? Frontal. And then the two parietal, that's the coronal. This right here, this middle, right here is the sagittal. And that attaches the frontal and the two parietal. And then it goes back here to the occipital. Okay? This side right here This is the squamous suture, and it attaches the occipital, the occipital, the parietal, the temporal. Okay. Next is the lambdoid. The lambdoid is this right here. And there's two parietal, one occipital, and then the temporal bone.